how to fix Minecraft Microsoft account not signing in. So what you can do is to fix the Minecraft's Microsoft sign-in issue by first updating Minecraft and then signing in the normal mobile way, which is just going ahead into Minecraft, going ahead and pressing on the sign in option that appears here in the bottom left, and then enter your Microsoft account. Usually when this happens and it doesn't work, it's because the wrong credentials were placed in, let's say wrong username or wrong password, and even laggy connection can do this. If you have bad internet, this can happen sometimes. So we're just going to show you a few things you can try. So first of all, go ahead into your Play Store, just search for your Minecraft, and you're gonna make sure you're in the latest version. So if there's an update option, go ahead and press on update. You can also go ahead and restart your phone. So to do that, just go ahead and hold your turn off button for a while until this appears, and just go ahead and press on reboot or restart. You can also turn off any VPNs or any private DNS that you have enabled if you have them. And another thing you can try is to switch your networks into something more stable. You can try an Mbps tester to see if you're lagging, or you can go ahead to any different platform like Insta or YouTube to see if you're lagging from there. And if you are, then it's usually your internet connection that needs to be changed or fixed. And one last thing you can do is to go ahead into your settings, search for apps, and inside apps, you're going to have to enter Minecraft. And in there, you're going to go ahead and press on clear data and clear cache. You can also go ahead and press on force stop, or basically just restart the game by clearing it and reopening the game. Also make sure your Microsoft account isn't locked and that you're using the correct account. Minecraft support does say if you lose access to the account, you will also lose access to Minecraft, that is, access to it. So if the issue is multiplayer or realms only, you can check the privacy or family settings too, since Microsoft uses Xbox safety settings for online features. Anyways, those are a few things you can put in mind if you wanna fix this issue. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.